Great to see those kids doing that. And today, sunblock. You guys felt it, right?
Oh.
This man needs it. You can't really see it so
close. I put
close.
makeup on over it, but yeah, I was out working on a story today. Didn't realize I was in the sun so long and just got fried.
And now sitting next to you, I can see it.
Yeah,
little red along your forehead.
And it hurts.
Yeah, well, don't let that happen to you tomorrow.
Yeah.
You're going to need the sunblock as well. We saw a lot of sunshine today, but a few clouds dotting the coastline. Tomorrow, more sun, and with that, we're going to see temperatures staying fairly warm. In fact, we should actually end up seeing heat advisories possible by the time we get to Thursday. Currently, National City going for around 70 degrees, out over toward Coronado 73, Encinitas 68 degrees off of a mostly clear night tonight. We should see clouds try to creep on in a little bit later into the evening. They'll be short-lived though. 71 degrees here in downtown San Diego, winds out of the north-northwest at 7. They were howling today, in fact actually gusting up into the 20-22 mile per hour range. Tomorrow, anticipating the same scenario, we do have an area of low pressure off our coast. You can see that, the dip in the jet stream, that's what's providing us this trough. Also, an area of high pressure further out over to our west. When those two things get close together, we end up seeing our winds pick up. So noticing a little bit of a breeze for us tomorrow along the coast, a little bit windier out toward the deserts into the evening hours. But the main thing is the heat. Temperatures tomorrow staying above average, similar to today. We'll see them possibly about 1 to 5 degrees warmer. But by the time we get to Thursday, temperatures then jump up to about 10 degrees above average, and that is right in time for Comic-Con. So hopefully if you're going, you can sort of have your costume maybe without the tights to try to stay a little bit cooler. There is a second depression out there, this tropical depression too, about 1,100 miles away from the Lesser Antilles. However, it is continuing to move to the west at around 10 miles per hour. The forecast fan here actually predicts it to fall apart in the next 3 days once it moves over land before it gets out over toward Puerto Rico. So that's good news for your relatives out that way. For us, continuing to mention the heat. We're going to start out with a few clouds tomorrow. They should be gone once we get to around the 8 a.m. hour. So starting you off into the lower 70s for the coastline. Inland areas also dealing with the lower 70s. And by the afternoon, you'll notice temperatures along the coastline similar to what you experienced for today. Inland areas, same scenario there. It's going to be the mountains and deserts. You may actually see your temperatures warm, probably about 2 degrees warmer for you. Now fast forward on into Wednesday. We're going to have an upper level ridge now begin to move on into place. Still going to have the breeze, but temperatures really going to begin to soar. So much so that by 8 a.m. already 74 degrees in downtown San Diego. Chula Vista 71 degrees for as you start out your day. And then even into the afternoon hours, your temperatures flirt with the 90-degree mark in Ramona. This is just at lunch at 89. Julian, you're actually going to climb on into the lower 90s. Campa also getting to about 95 degrees. And remember, the warmest day on Thursday, so temperatures will continue to climb up from there. 7-day forecast for you. 79 degrees for you tomorrow along the coastline, going for 80 degrees on Wednesday. Beautiful sunny skies, but the winds will be up a little bit, 10 to 15 miles per hour, providing some nice relief toward the skin. There is going to be more humidity moving your way on into Saturday, and with that, we'll see a few more clouds coming for the weekend. Inland 87 degrees above average, jumping to 91 on Wednesday, 94 on into Thursday, and with the humid air mass, you'll notice a few more clouds as well starting on Friday, getting a little bit stickier for the weekend. The mountains 85 degrees, jumping to 92 degrees on Wednesday, but look at that on Thursday. Scorching, 95 degrees there. Higher humidity on Friday, so much so that now on Saturday, instead of just a few clouds, you actually could see an isolated thunderstorm or two. The desert's 108 degrees. You will have a windy evening and breezy afternoon for you on Wednesday, 111 on Thursday. That's a look at your 7-day forecast, guys. Back to you.
Problem is, if your costume has tights, that may be the only difference between a superhero or a guy in his underwear.
Right.
Maybe they can
you got to keep the
paint
tights.
Body painted on.
Okay.
To try to stay cool.
Yeah.
All right. Sabrina, thank you.